Have you ever been excited to dive into a new project, only to be stopped in your tracks by an error message? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're just starting out. If that sounds like you, stick around, because today we're tackling the Kendo.syncReady is not a function error. I totally get it. You're new to Kendo UI, and running into issues like this can feel overwhelming. You're not alone in this. Many beginners face similar challenges when setting up their projects. Let's break down the specific situation. One user recently encountered the error message Kendo.syncReady is not a function after using bundle configuration. They also mentioned that on Internet Explorer, the date picker was undefined. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this error? It often stems from missing references or version mismatches in your scripts. We'll go through the steps to identify and fix the issue so you can get back to coding. And don't go anywhere. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the error, Kendo.syncReady is not a function, the user should first check the order of their script references. It's essential that jQuery is loaded before any Kendo UI scripts. Next, the user should verify that they are using compatible versions of jQuery and Kendo UI. Kendo UI requires a specific version of jQuery to function correctly. The user should also ensure that all necessary Kendo UI scripts are included. If any scripts are missing, it could lead to the error encountered. Finally, if the issue persists, the user can check for any JavaScript errors in the browser's developer console. This can provide additional insights into what might be going wrong. Fun fact, did you know that Kendo UI was named after a Japanese martial art? Just like mastering Kendo UI takes practice and patience. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to add a specific script reference to your layout file. They suggest including the kendo.asp.netmvc.min.js script in your layout.cshtml. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that the issue can be resolved by adding the necessary references in the layout view, specifically in the layout.cshtml file. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your libraries updated and check for compatibility issues. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the Kendo.syncReady is not a function error. Remember, troubleshooting is part of the learning process. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and keep coding.